bit, like a couple hundred RPM, but that tune on Eli's S4 is so good that it now keeps up with my tuned M3. I won, I beat an M5. We're here in Chris Chansey's E60 M5. It's tuned, straight piped, loud. It's the safety car, so let's take it for a ride. Heads up display. Forget how aggressive the single clutch gearbox is. Oh man, I forgot about these SMG3 shifts.
Yeah.
Gotta plan ahead. Sounds so good. I love this engine. S85 is like the pinnacle of excellent BMW engineering, except for the maintenance. But what a ridiculous engine to put in these cars. And this was in a day when Audi was putting V10s in the RS6. How cool was that? We don't get that anymore. Those days are long gone. SMG, are you supposed to lift? Or are you like, I mean, I've heard people do both.
You lift if you're not planted.
Okay. So what you may forget about the E60 M5 is these seats, when you take a right-hand corner, the left side bolster will quickly move over into place to hold you up. It's a little bizarre. Oh, it's like kind of aggressive actually. When it relaxes though, you're like, ooh, we're in a nice comfy chair. This is such a nice place to be. Totally understand why people spent a lot of money on these cars. Today's video is especially legal. Here are just a couple examples of what it might look like if you're passing cars on the highway together, and if you were wondering what's faster. Hi IgnitionTube. This is the tuned SI versus the non-tuned SI. Comes the tight bar up the left!
My cheap eBay grill emblem holder broke, and I didn't have a black zip tie, so
what it looks to me
is
someone doesn't know how to put an emblem.
It's fault.
That one installed it?
This is all Eli right here.
Completely Pally's fault.
And now for IgnitionTube's web redemption.
What's happening here is my car's going through its pop punk phase. Now this is like, we all went through that phase in high school where we all listened to angry music and we were just kind of angsty in general. This is a nose ring. So it got a little nose ring action. It was feeling a little angsty.